From a regular standing position, open your feet to where you feel comfortable. Lift both hands in front of your chest. Turn your waist to the left. Extend your left hand. Right hand beginning to pull back. Hold your fist. Pull your right elbow back. Make sure your left fist and your right elbow become a straight line. Inhale, pull your left fist and your right elbow away from each other first. Then pinch your back shoulder blade. The chest is expanded. Exhale, shoulder chest loosed, fist holds gently. Inhale, hold fist tight, push your left hand out, right elbow back, then pinch your shoulder blade back. Exhale, chest loose. Inhale, push and pull to draw the bowl. Exhale, shoulder, chest loose. Inhale, push and pull. Exhale. Then extend both hands in front. We repeat the same thing on the right side. Turn your waist to right, extend right hand. Both hands hold fist. Left elbow draws back. Make sure your right fist and your left elbow are in a straight line. Pushed right fist out, pull left elbow back, inhale. Then arch your shoulder blade, exhale, chest loose. Inhale, push, pull. Exhale. Inhale, push, pull, expand. Exhale, shoulder, chest loose. Inhale, push, pull. Exhale, shoulder, chest loose. Place both hands in front. Drop hands down. And close your foot. Second exercise. After a while, as you're getting stronger, then you may practice the more advanced version. Step your foot out wider, both knee bend. Lift both hands in front of your chest. Turn your waist to the left to draw the ball. As you pulling your right elbow back, shifting weight more to your right leg. Your left leg is now become straight. Inhale, draws the ball. Exhale, chest loose. Inhale, draws. Exhale. Inhale, draws. Exhale. Inhale, draws the ball. Exhale. Shifting weight, both knee bend, weights center, hand placed in front. Turn waist to right. Both hand hold fist. To the left, draws left side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Pull weight back to the center. Both hands go back. Touch each other.